Aloha! We're going to talk about AR verbs. And AR verbs are, guess what? Verbs or action words that end in AR in the infinitive in Spanish. So remember that the infinitive is a verb in Spanish that is not conjugated for anybody. So hablar is the infinitive for to talk. And to talk is how you would say, or to talk is the infinitive in English. Hablar is the infinitive in Spanish. So, how to conjugate the AR verbs? First of all, just a review. Conjugating a verb is when you take the infinitive and change the endings to match each subject. It's not as difficult as it might seem. So, there are 3 steps to doing this. The first step is to simply take the infinitive. Second step, drop the AR ending. And the third step is to add the new ending. Make sure you add these to your notes. Pause if you need more time. Okay, so las terminaciones, the endings. Any AR verb, every AR verb, I should say, ends in, for yo, ends in o. The ending for tú is as. The ending for él is a. The ending for ella is a. And the ending for usted is also a. The ending for nosotros is amos. The ending for vosotros is ais, with an accent on the A. The ending for ellos is an, A-N. The ending for ellas is an, A-N. And the ending for ustedes is also an. Make sure that you add these to your notes if you haven't done so yet. Again, pause if you need more time. So, let's go through this together. So you want to take the infinitive of, let's say, the word comprar, which means to buy. And this is on your notes, so you want to fill it in as we go. Second step, drop the AR. So we're going to cross off the AR, and that leaves us with compr, C-O-M-P-R. Now our third step is to add the new ending. So this is different depending on what subject you're talking about. So we're going to go through all of the subjects. So to say I buy, it would be yo compro. I buy. To say you buy, it would be tú compras. As is the ending that you add for you in Spanish. Tú. He buys is él compra. We buy is nosotros compramos. You all buy in Spain is vosotros compráis. And they buy is ellas compran. Let's go through another example now. You should have room for this also on your sheet. If you didn't finish the last one, you want to make sure that you do that. You finish up comprar. So our next example, we're going to start with taking the infinitive, and in this case, the infinitive is preguntar, to ask. Second step, drop the AR. So we're going to cross off the AR and preguntar, and that leaves us with pregunt. P-R-E-G-U-N-T. Third step is to add the new ending. So to say I ask, it would be yo pregunto. To say you ask, it would be tú preguntas. To say he asks, it would be él pregunta. To say we ask, it would be nosotros preguntamos. To say you all ask in Spain, it would be vosotros preguntáis. And to say they ask, it would be ellas preguntan. Ellas preguntan. Make sure you add these to your notes. Pause if you need more time. Our third example. First step, the infinitive. And our infinitive in this case is necesitar, to need. Second step is to drop the AR. So we're going to cross off the AR and necesitar. And we have necesit, N-E-C-E-S-I-T. Our third step then is to add the new ending. So, I need would be yo necesito. I need, yo necesito. You need would be tú necesitas. Tú necesitas. He needs would be él necesita. Él necesita. We need would be nosotros necesitamos. Nosotros necesitamos. You all need in Spain would be vosotros necesitáis. Vosotros necesitáis. And they need would be ellas necesitan. Ellas or ellos necesitan. We're going to go over one last verb, but before that, if you need extra time, make sure that you add this to your notes. All right, step one is to take the infinitive, and the infinitive in this example is contestar, to answer. Second step is what? Do you remember? The second step is to drop the AR. So we're going to cross off the AR and contestar. And what does that mean? Our next step is add the new ending. Because when we dropped the AR, it left us with contest, C-O-N-T-E-S-T. And the third step now is to add the new ending. If I want to say I answer, it would be yo contesto. Yo contesto. If I want to say you answer, it would be tú contestas. Tú contestas. If I want to say he answers, it would be él contesta. Él contesta. If I want to say we answer, it would be nosotros contestamos. Nosotros contestamos. If I want to say you all in Spain, answer, vosotros contestáis. Vosotros contestáis. And last but not least, if you want to say they answer, it would be ellas contestan. Ellas contestan. Make sure that you complete this on your note sheet. Also, make sure if you skipped anything that you go back to add it to your notes because it's really important that you have them filled out. We're going to practice some more with AR verbs tomorrow in class. Thanks for watching.